Hey guys, this is where we're going to go today, and let's see if they have anything that we need. Hey guys, it's Angie. I'm at a thrift store today. It's a Habitat for Humanity ReStore. So let's go see what we can find. It's a bunch of little tea collections, tea party collections. Some Waterford crystal, $25 each. Some other kinds of glasses. The Lenox Red Ruby is pretty. $25 for the set. Then I spotted these, I think are very cute with the little buggies. $3 each for those. Here's an interesting vintage table. $325. It is beautiful. Look how it folds down, and there's storage here. That's beautiful. And then they have this vintage cabinet, $150 for that. Lots of furniture in here, as you can see. The dressers. There's an end table set and a dresser set for $50. Here's a look at the whole store. You can see all the lamps. They have furniture, sofas, chairs. Here's an old cash register. $100 for that. Okay, for my record player lovers, they do have the large cabinet with the record player in it. This is $375. Magnavox. Did anyone have one of those in their home? Here's another look at some of the furniture. Now behind me, this is going to be an older set. You can see the details of the handles. I love these, and it has the matching makeup stand there. $250 for the dresser and the chest of drawers. I'm very impressed with this place. I am in North Carolina. They do have a lot of these stores around. I hope your area has one of these stores, especially if you're in the hunt for furniture. Display cabinets. If you collect things, that's $150 for that one. I saw this one I really like. Look at the details on that. But it's $195. Here's a look at some of the tables and chairs. This is a gray set here, kind of distressed on top, $135. A very pretty oak table, $195 for like a breakfast nook. A round table with the Lazy Susan, $175. You have another oak table, but this one has a leaf in it, $150. You can see they have lots of stereo equipment, video equipment. Here is something special. Vintage Warner, Stuart Warner record player. Only $45. It does not work, it says, but still very interesting piece. Here's a cute little table with the glass top. Here's a look at some of the giant pictures they have here. Okay, I did find some more chairs up top. These would be considered like bar stools. The prices are about $30 a chair. If you're in the need of bar stools, I definitely recommend checking out your thrift stores. They do have a ton of luggage here. And look how organized this store is. This is amazing. All these bells are $1 each. Very pretty. I love this one here. So cute. And then they have the collectibles with the colonial people. So pretty. I spotted an angel collection. Love all the angels. Of course, they have your handbags and a large collection of lamps. Look at this lamp with the bird feeder, guys. I've never seen one like that before. I'm going to be checking out the price on that one. There it is. It's $20. I love birds. That is very cute. They also have unused pendant lights. $62 for that one there. And then they have your used ones. Very nice. Around $40 for some of these. This is very pretty, like a foyer lamp or a pendant light. Okay, my boyfriend just spotted all this tape and paint at excellent prices. You want to say hello, Ramin?
Hello.
There he is. Here's a look at all the different tape they have. Very organized. I'm really impressed, like I said. Frog tape, duct tape, gorilla tape, super tough black duct tape. And then they have some Valspar patio floor porch paint. This place is amazing. Concrete stain. Wow. Some batteries behind us here. I do think we need some of these, Ramin, for our watches and things like that. Guys, I found this aisle that has Delta faucets on it. Look how beautiful that faucet is. That's just an example of what they carry, but they have different ones. It says the price here is $99 for these Delta faucets. That's amazing. Chimney brush, $9.99. Window insulation, shrink kits, some tools. At the back of the store, they have brand new rugs for sale. It says they range from $70 to $130. A big selection. And then they have the ones, the larger ones that are hanging that you can view. They have some laminate flooring here. Different colors. You can see 62 pieces, $95. Very pretty. Mohawk. This is what we actually have in our house, and we love it so much. We love the Mohawk floors that we have. Lots of selections of blinds. I'm actually going to go through these because I need a few blinds. Some very pretty mats for your front door, brand new. They have some Christmas mats, and they have your Halloween. I like that one, Shoes Off Witch. That's cute. A peanut mat. I found the aisle that has all the plates and cup sets. Look at this, guys. There's two sides of it. There's so many. Let's just peruse through, see if we can find any nice Mikasa or beautiful china that we might like. A lot of people like the fruit on their plates. I tend to go with the florals or more of a plain look. I do like these yellow ones. Here's a really pretty tea set. That is really pretty. Some ivy. This says 6 bowls and 2 saucers for $8. Fruit again with the grapes and I think apples. Then you have your clear glass. Lots of clear glass sets. Look at these. Very pretty. And then I'll turn around and see what's behind me. Another really pretty set here with the blue and white. My son actually had this set that he wanted to use in his house, but when he moved away he decided he did not want it anymore. So they have it, the Queen Anne collection, $35. That's a steal for all of this. This one is also really pretty. Juliet China, $75 for all of those pieces. This is actually really pretty. $60. Stratfordshire Elegance, it's called. Here is a view of some other ones. If you like color and florals, this is beautiful. Wow, $50. The framed art they have here is very organized. They do have a lot of it. All different sizes. This is very pretty with the bunny rabbits. It says it's a Bob Henley called Mother's Day signed printed art. $100 on that. Some other floral art. Here's to give you an idea of a price of some appliances. So this is a Frigidaire double convection oven. It's on sale here for $500. They have a Whirlpool gas oven, stovetop, $175, and you'll see the little sign on there that says tested and good. Here's a white one, a gas, $150. Good condition there. They have ironing boards, lots and lots of humidifiers, vaporizers, things like that. I don't really recommend getting these used, but there could be a brand new one in there somewhere. Same for your hair accessories. Don't recommend getting them used, but there could be something new. Okay, I made my way over to the light fixtures, ceiling fans. They have new and used. Here's a really cool light fixture, new for $95. I believe Home Decorators collection is Home Depot. They have Hampton Bay, which I believe you can get at Lowe's. Allen and Roth, I know, is Lowe's. All of these are new back here on this wall. Path lights, very pretty. Some of these are very pretty. And then you have your used lights that you can also get a wonderful deal on. For example, this big chandelier here is $30. All different sizes. You can see some of the prices, $15, $25. They have some that are hanging, $40. I like the bronze one for $50. It's got like some cream colored glass tulip glass shades there. They do have some that look more modern. Here is a very old but goodie, $65 for that. They have a few baby high chairs, some filing cabinets. Never pay full price for a filing cabinet, guys. I see these at thrift stores all the time. Some side tables, very good condition actually, $35 and $5. Oh, I'm gonna look at that one over there for $5. I gotta see the top of it. And here's a view of some of the other side tables. Some older chairs here. Okay, we'll finish up the video at the back of the store where they have shower doors. This one is $125. That looks like a used one, but they have brand new ones. Shower back walls for $25. They also have the frameless shower doors, brand new in the box, for $275. So if you guys are renovating your home, be sure to check out the Habitat for Humanity ReStores in your area. And please like and subscribe for more. Comment below. Did you see anything you think you would want in your house? Like I said, I love the lamp with the birds on it. And I love some of these light fixtures. I'm going to go through each one and see if I can find one. Please let me know what you like. Thanks for coming along. See you next time.